Hi, this is Dr. Fox at Precise Chiropractic in Troy, and today I'm using the inflammation setting in our FDA approved cold laser on my left hand. So I don't know if any of you guys have ever done anything like slam your hand in the car door or sprain an ankle or a wrist or get acute inflammation in your low back, but if you have, this setting for the laser is really good at getting into those cells that have been inflamed and helping to drive the inflammation out. It goes in, it increases energy in the area through the mitochondria, and it helps to reduce tissue swelling inflammation. So it's also good for pain management as well. And using the laser, what it does is it helps to enhance the healing process, speed it up, because inflammation is just a natural step in the body's healing process. It's got to happen, we've got to go through it, but we want to go through it as quickly as possible, as smoothly as possible, and the better that inflammation is able to resolve itself, then the better quality scar tissue we're going to form, the better the body's going to heal things up. Because when we damage an ankle or a wrist or something like that, our body does have to make scar tissue. The key is that it makes it in the right spot, so it forms a really good patch in the area. And using things like the cold laser, even chiropractic adjustments to help maintain the biomechanics in a proper way can really help the body to heal up and be its best going forward into the future. So if you have an acute injury, it's great to call in real quick, because that's when you're going to be able to get the best outcomes for it. So you can reach us at Precise Chiropractic at 248-680-7200. Again, this is Dr. Fox at Precise Chiropractic in Troy. Hoping that was helpful for you.